Imagine a god descending from the heaven, taking human form and walking among us. Now imagine that same idea like living inside your phone, inside a game, inside a digital world. This is the story of the word avatar.
Avatāra.
Our journey begins thousands of years ago. In the languages of ancient India, the word comes from Sanskrit, avatāra. Break it apart. Ava, meaning down. Tara, meaning to cross or pass. Put together, it means on to descend, but not just any descent, a divine one. In Hinduism, an avatar is when a god comes down to earth, taking a physical form to restore balance. Most often, this word is tied to one god, Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. Whenever the world falls into chaos, Vishnu returns, not always as a god, sometimes as a man. These divine appearances are called the avatars of Vishnu. But Vishnu doesn't always appear as a man, a fish, saving life from a flood, a turtle, holding up the world, a lion man, defeating evil. Then, heroes like Rama and Krishna, each one an avatar, each one a descent of the divine into the ordinary world. For centuries, the word stayed rooted in religion, spoken in temples, written in sacred texts. But then something changed. As cultures met, through trade, colonization, and scholarship, European linguists encountered this idea. Avatar entered English by the 1700s. At first, it meant the same thing, a divine manifestation, a manifestation of a deity. But language rarely stands still. Soon, avatar began to shift. People started using it metaphorically, not just for God, but for any powerful transformation, a new version of yourself, a different identity, a changed form. The divine idea became human. Then came computers, the internet, virtual worlds. And suddenly, we needed a word for you, but not quite you. A version of yourself inside a screen. And avatar fit perfectly. In the 1980s, early online communities and games began using the word. One of the earliest popular uses came from the game Ultima IV, Quest of the Avatar. Here, the avatar wasn't just a character, it was you. Your moral self, your choices, your identity inside the game. The meaning had transformed again, from God becoming human to human becoming digital. Today, avatars are everywhere. Your profile picture, your game character, your virtual reality body. A small image that represents a larger self. A modern echo of an ancient idea, stepping into another form. Then in 2009, the word reached global audiences in a new way. The film Avatar. Humans remotely control alien bodies, living through them, seeing through their eyes. Once again, the meaning fits perfectly. A consciousness, descending into another body, just like the original Sanskrit idea. Think about it. Thousands of years ago, avatar meant a god entering our world. Today it means us entering another one. The direction changed, but the idea stayed the same. Avatar is more than a tech term, more than a movie title. It's a story about identity, about transformation. A word that crossed worlds. Who are you when you choose your avatar? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to @Word Origins Lab for more videos like this.